See, previously you might have done, we have done UV form, U by V form, then inner function problems. Now, if you have a question x power x or x power sin x or sin x power x, base and power both is having x, that time what you should do is let y equals to x power x, then apply log on both sides. The reason of applying log on both sides? Yes, powers, base and power both is having x, that time what we'll do, we'll apply log on both sides. X by yx also we'll do the same thing, because x and y both are considered as variable in this one. X log x. How we got x log x? Anything log a power m. Suppose log a and power m is there, we can write this one as m log a. So power comes here. Once we got these values, no power is there in this one. Now we can differentiate both sides. Differentiating both sides with respect to x. Basic thing. Suppose if you are writing d by dx of log x, what is the answer for this one?
1 by x.
1 by x. If I write d by dx of log y,
1 by no.
Log y is treated as x, so 1 by y into, because we are taking this one as d by dx of y. Got it?
Yes.
So in that way, if you are differentiating both sides, first we will take d by dx on left side, then d by dx on right side. Log y derivative, because we think this one as x, log x is 1 by x into, because this is not an x value, once again we should write d by dx and we should write y. That equals uv form. U derivative of v plus v
Derivative of u.
derivative of v. Okay. Now 1 by y dy by dx equals to x into 1 by x plus log x into 1. Now what is dy by dx? This y is cross multiplied. Whenever anything cross multiplied, the rest of the thing will come under the bracket log x. Now at the end you should substitute the value of y. Dy by dx equals to, what is y given to you? 1 plus log x. Got it? We need to find the derivative of x power sin x. So what we have to do in the first step? Then differentiating both sides or apply log on both sides? We have not done the same thing previously for previous questions. The reason was?
Because power and base.
Yes. Base and power contains x value. For that questions, what we will do is, we will apply log on both sides. Then after applying log, whatever power will be there, that comes before log. Sin x into log of x. After this, yes, we need to differentiate both sides. Differentiating both sides. So d by dx of log y log y derivative, any one of you? Log y is 1 by y into, because this is y, d by dx of y. But log x, d by dx of log x 1 by x.
1 by x.
We will not write 1 by x into d by dx of x. If we will write also, d by dx of x is 1 anyhow. So what we will do for this one, 1 by y, and instead of x we have y, that's why d by dx of y once again. Then this is in uv form. U derivative of v plus v derivative of u. Sin x into derivative of log x is
1 by x.
log x into derivative of sin x is
Cos x.
cos x. Now we'll cross multiply this y to right side. dy by dx equals to y into whole thing is under bracket now. Sin x into 1 by x or sin x by x plus log x cos x. Then at the end, therefore you should write, replace the value of y, whatever value of y we have treated. Okay. Get one chop.
Sir, here it is.
Okay. Many of them will do mistakes once they will not follow the logic, follow the process. So you need to get the thing in right way. You should remember the process. What we have to do earlier in this one first time. To get this thing easily, you can write this in bracket. Base you can make a bracket to avoid confusion. Okay, always. Then we'll apply. So once we are applying log to left side, log of y, log of this is log y, this x comes here. Okay. This is log of tan x. Log x tan x is not there. Okay. Log x value is tan x. Then we'll do so dy dx will take for tan y, log y, and dy dx will consider for okay. Log y derivative is yes 1 by y into dy dx of y. This is u and this total thing is v. So u d by dx of v. V means both the single term plus v. Now this is 1 by y dy by dx equals to x into log x
1 by x
into
divided x.
log of tan x into derivative of x is 1. Now 1 by y into dy by dx equals to x by tan x into tan x derivative secant square. Many of them don't know formulas. Now y is cross multiplied. Log of tan x. Okay, bracket close. Because we have cross multiplied y, so the whole thing should be taken in a bracket of right side. At the end, you should conclude by writing y value. What is y value? We have considered tan x power x. Then x by tan x, secant square x. Now, big question. Visible now that writing? Visible to everyone?
Yes.
Now we'll write because two terms are there with plus sign minus sign, we can't apply log on both sides now. So we should differentiate both sides with respect to x. So d by dx I'll take for y, d by dx I'll take for x power sin x, d by dx I'll take for sin x power x. What I did? D by dx. So I can't differentiate this one because it has base and power as x. So I can't consider x power n or n power x because both are x values. So what we have to do is we have to put this value as u and this value as v. So this dy by dx will become d by dx of u plus d by dx of v. Let it in equation 1. What we have to do when two terms are there? Two terms with plus sign, both are having x as their power. So we have to differentiate first, then apply d by dx to all the terms. Then take, because we can't differentiate now, what we have to do when we can't differentiate, we can consider one variable to it, u, and we are giving this one, this name as v. Then this question will change to dy by dx equals to d by dx of u plus d by dx of v. Now you can separately find u and v as derivative. What we have done earlier, same thing. Now we are taking this one, consider u is equals to x power, what I said, base, take bracket for this one, power x, then apply log on both sides, log of x power sin x. Log x we are not applying, we are applying just to log. Log then u. This x is u now. Log then x is x power sin x. So what we will do when power is there? We will take that power here, I mean log a. Then differentiating both sides with respect to x. D by dx of log u equal to d by dx of sin x into log. Here d by dx of log u will not take 0. U, v, y, x are variables. Log of x will consider this one as x. 1 by x into
D by dx.
d by dx of x. So 1 by u, d by dx of u. D by dx of this is in which form?
UV.
UV form. First we write sin x, d by dx of log x plus log x, d by dx of sin x. So 1 by u is cross multiplied, du by dx equal to u into sin x into 1 by x plus log x into cos x. So at the end what we will do? Du by dx answer is u. U is how much? X power sin x into sin x 1 the sin x by x. This is our equation number 2. Now we have du by dx, we got it. For getting dv by dx, we should take v now. Sin x power x. Take bracket for that one. Then as usual apply log on both sides. I am not writing statement because I have to use the space for this problem. Log u, log bracket sin x power x. So this will be log v x into log of sin x. Now what we will do? Differentiating both sides. D by dx of log v, d by dx of x log of sin x. Log v derivative. 1 by v dv by dx. This is u and v form. U d by dx of v plus v
D by dx.
d by dx of u. Now this will be 1 by v dv by dx equals to x into log bracket part is x. Consider the bracket part will x. So what we will write?
1 by
1 by sin x into
D by dx of sin x.
d by dx of sin x. Once again, anywhere you find inner function, you will do the same thing. Okay. Then log of sin x. d by dx of x is 1. Now dv by dx equals to, I am cross multiplying this v here. So v and square bracket you can consider x by sin x into derivative of sin x is
Cos x.
cos x plus log of.
Sin x.
Why I am not differentiating this one?
D by dx.
Yes, d by dx is not there. So whenever d by dx, then only will differentiate. Other things will leave as it is. Therefore dv by dx equals to v value. What is the value of v we have?
Sin x power x.
This is third one. Did we got the answer? This part contains second and so we have to substitute second and third in first. Put one, put second and third in one. So what is the value we will get then? dy by dx equals to du by dx. Where is the answer of du by dx? We will not write du by dx. So we will write the answer for it. X power sin x into log x into cos x plus what is dv by dx? X cos x by sin x plus log of sin x. You can write x into cot x also. Those who know trigonometry formulas, they can use the functions. Okay. Okay, visible. What's the time? 11. Y equal to cos x power x plus tan x power x is our question. Because plus sign is there, I am not applying log. Instead of that, what I am doing? Differentiating both sides with respect to x. So d by dx of y equal to d by dx of cos x power x plus d by dx of tan x power sin x. Now you have to realize that we have d by dx to the function which has base and power, both are having x. So what we have to do? We have to
Apply
No.
log on both sides.
we have to initialize variables. We have to give variables to first one and variables to second one. In the next step we'll apply log, but first see, after writing d by dx, after giving the names also we need first equation. D by dx you have to write d by dx of this thing we have taken as u plus d by dx of the whole thing we have taken as v. This is equation 1 which we have to get the answer by solving the terms in parts. First part, consider first part. Second part, we have taken this as u, right? So u should be differentiated. We have taken this as v, so v should be differentiated. Now we have to consider the value of u. I'll write u first. U here, then this value here. In bracket power x. Because both are having x, now we can apply log on both sides. Here for two terms we can't apply log. Log a log left side equal to log a plus log b we can't take. Log of a plus b, then again it will get expanded. So what we'll do, we'll make it part. Log of cos x power x. Now this one is log u into log u equal to x comes here. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x. Log u derivative du by dx. Then this is u and this total thing is a single term v. U d by dx of v plus v d by dx of u. Then we have 1 by u du by dx equals to x into log this is x. 1 by x into d by dx of cos x. Log of cos x into 1. Now we cross multiply this u to right side. We need du by dx equal to u into x by cos x into derivative of cos x is
Sin x.
in bracket. Many of them are not using bracket because they are multiple. Now this sign comes here. That's why bracket plus log of cos x. Now we'll write therefore du by dx equals to u into what is the value of u
Cos x power x.
into minus x sin x log of cos x. This is our equation. Equation 1 is taking u and v to that values. Then v equals to one more consider what we should take for this bracket. Then applying log on both sides. I am not writing the statement. You can write at the time of copying that. This is log v. Sign comes here.
Sin x comes.
Log of tan x. Now we have to differentiate both sides. With respect to x also you should write log v d by dx of sin x into log of tan x. Log v derivative
1 by v d by dx of v.
u and v form. So first u derivative of v plus v derivative of u. Okay, u derivative of v plus v derivative of v. 1 by v dv by dx equals to sin x into derivative of log this is x.
1 by tan x
1 by x into
d by dx of tan x.
plus log of tan x d by dx of sin x is
Cos x.
cos x. Now I'll cross multiply this v to this side. V into sin x, one the sin x divided by tan x. Derivative of tan x. Very good. Few members know the formulas. Log of tan x into cos x. Okay. Now what is v? We'll write here.
Tan x over sin x.
Yes. Tan x power sin x into square bracket again. Brackets are most important thing. Many of them are not writing brackets at the time of that. This is equation 3. So what we'll do when we have three equations? 2, 3 in 1. So dy by dx equals to first part
cos x power x
those who don't know the formula they can write as it is. Then plus tan x power sin x into sin by tan into secant square x plus log of tan x into cos x. Okay. Now one problem I am giving to you to solve now.